Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bonbon. Your journey begins by carefully navigating through the Ballera Gallery. It is crucial to listen intently for Ballera's music. Its increasing loudness indicates her proximity. You must move slowly and stop completely when the music intensifies to avoid detection. Your ultimate goal is to safely reach the breaker room, where you will encounter Funtime Freddy and his hand puppet, Bonbon. Once inside the breaker room, your primary task is to restart the power systems using the central monitor. This process requires careful management of Funtime Freddy. When he approaches, you must play audio cues to lure him back to his stage. Continuously monitor his movements and proximity, ensuring he does not reach you while the monitor is active. Patience and precise timing are essential to successfully complete this part of the challenge. The critical moment to get Bonbon arrives when Funtime Freddy raises him on his arm. You will need to carefully observe Bonbon's position. Look for the distinct large black button located directly beneath Bonbon's bow tie. When this button becomes visible, you must quickly and accurately press it. This action will successfully detach Bonbon, completing this specific objective and allowing you to proceed. By successfully detaching Bonbon, you have completed a significant objective within the game. This crucial step is not only a testament to your skill, but also essential for advancing the storyline. Remember, this task often requires several attempts to master. Focusing on your audio cues and quick reflexes will greatly improve your chances of success. Keep practicing, and you will conquer this challenge with ease.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.